HWK Mesh Motorcycle Jackets Riding Air Motorbike Jacket Biker C Armored Breathable, XXX-Large, Green. Optimum quality at a minimum price. This a deal, we wager that you would not have the ability to find a mesh motorcycle jacket at this price in the market. Micro Mesh and 600D CORDURA Construction Mesh Motorcycle Jacket. C approved armors, removable, on the Motorcyle jacket's back, elbows, and shoulders. This is a summer season breathable jacket is not waterproof. 100% breathable motorcycle jacket with the assistance of appropriate sealing of micro and macro fit together membrane. This motorbike jacket is breathable and has mesh lining underneath and also is completely C armored. New improved American cut sizing. You do not need to purchase a couple of sizes larger currently. Simply follow the new chest measurement size guide, small 38, medium 40, large 42, XL 44, 2XL 46, 3XL 48, 4XL 50, 5XL 52. Optimal for summertime and autumn weather. C secured motorcycle riding jacket. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.